Stop scrolling. I bet you have 50 browser tabs open and you're about to make a huge mistake. You're drawing in the same boring travel advice or looking at places you know aren't right for you. That feeling is called decision paralysis, and it's destroying your vacation plans. Following that same old advice is how you end up spending thousands on a relaxing trip that leaves you more stressed than when you started. But what if I told you there is a better way? A framework that pro travelers use to pick the perfect destination every single time. In this video, I'm giving you the same system. We are going to balance your biggest travel dreams with your actual schedule and budget. By the end of this video, you will have a step-by-step plan to stop guessing and start planning the greatest trip of your life. Hi everyone, my name is Armin and welcome to the Hospitality Lounge.
Hospitality Lounge.
Before you even think about a place, we have to be honest about three things. I call this the travel trinity: your time, your treasure, and your travel style. So many people get this completely backward. They pick a bucket list spot and then try to do it in 4 days with no money. It's a disaster. First up, time. How much time do you actually have? Be real. If you only have a long weekend, you should be looking at places you can fly to in under 3 hours. You have a whole week, now you can conquer an entire region. 2 weeks or more, the world is yours. And don't forget to count travel days. Next, treasure, your budget. Having a clear budget is your superpower. It lets you have an amazing trip without being stressed about money. This number instantly narrows down your options, which is a good thing. Your 5 grand can make you feel like a king in Southeast Asia, or it can barely cover your lunch in Switzerland. Knowing this is the key. Finally, your travel style. Who are you on this trip? Are you a solo adventurer, planning a quiet trip with your partner, or is this a massive family vacation? A solo backpacker needs completely different things than a family with kids. Be the traveler you actually are, or your trip won't be what you want to be. Okay, this is the part that will change everything. From now on, never ask where should I go again. Instead, you will only ask what do I want to do. This is the core of experience-driven travel, and it works because it focuses on what you will remember forever. So right now, make an experience menu. Don't think, just write. What does your perfection vacation feel like? Is it adventure? Maybe that means hiking through national parks, diving with sea turtles, or seeing the northern lights. Is it relaxation? This could be chilling on a quiet beach, going to the wellness retreats, or trying slow travel with zero plan. Is it culture and history? Maybe you dream of exploring ancient ruins, getting lost in chaotic markets, or seeing the traditional of Kyoto. Or is it all about food? Do you want authentic street food, a Michelin star meal, or a farm-to-table dinner in the countryside? When you focus on the what first, your options become crystal clear. If world-class diving is your priority, your options suddenly narrow to a perfect list of places. If you want to take your trip from good to legendary, you cannot skip this step. Now you have to figure out why you are even going. The reason for your trip is the secret to making it feel incredible. So ask yourself one massive question. What is the purpose of this trip? Is it to recharge? Maybe your only goal is to disconnect from your phone and just feel human again. Is it to connect? This could be reconnecting with your partner, making family memories, or meeting new people. Is the goal to challenge yourself? Maybe you want to climb a mountain or learn to surf. Your why is all about growth. Or are you trying to celebrate a huge birthday, an anniversary, or just celebrating the fact that you can travel? Your why is your secret weapon. Later, when you're stuck between 2 places, you just ask which one helps me recharge better, or which one is the bigger challenge. This guarantees your final choice is the right place for you. Wait, if this is already giving you ideas, do me one thing and hit that subscribe button right now. I drop travel hacks like this every single week, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Okay, now that you have your filters, it's time to become a detective. Stop typing best places to visit into Google. Your searches will be super specific. Think cheap hiking destination in September or safe places for the solo female travelers who love culture. Use the tools the pros use. Here's a hack. Go to the Google Flights and open the Explore map. You can put it your date, your budget, and leave the destination blank. It will show your deals all over the globe. And do not just trust the official tourism websites. Get the real story. Go watch YouTube vlogs, read blogs, and look through forums to see what a place is really like. What are people actually saying? What's the vibe? What are the biggest complaints? Your goal is to find 3 or 4 candidates that check every single box. You have your short list of amazing destinations. You are so close, but this is a quick reality check to make sure you didn't miss something that could ruin your trip. First, weather. You might find a crazy cheap flight to Thailand in July, but you need to know that's the middle of monsoon season in some areas. A quick search for best time to visit your destination is mandatory. Pro tip, look at the shoulder seasons, the months right before or after busy season. You will get good weather, fewer people, and lower prices. Second, safety and visas. Check government travel warnings for your top spots and look up visa rules immediately. Nothing is worse than booking a non-refundable flight and then finding out you need a visa that takes months to get. Spend 5 minutes on this will save you from a complete logistical nightmare. And that's it. This is a complete framework for picking a vacation that's made for you. It's not about random top 10 list. It's a process that starts with you. To recap, you start with your travel Trinity, you flip the script and focus on the what before the where. You give your trip a purpose by finding your why. You do smart, targeted research, and you run a final reality check. Planning is no longer a chore, it's the first challenge of your adventure. You are now officially ready to pick a trip that is perfectly, authentically you. So, what do you think? I challenge you. Comment below with the number 1 thing on your dream experience menu. I'm going to read every single comment. And if this video helped you, smash that like button. And if you are not subscribed, what are you even doing? Hit subscribe button and turn on notification. Thank you for watching and go plan something epic. See you next time. Bye bye.